Right now, New York Governor Kathy Hochul is promising to fight back after the Trump administration slammed the brakes on New York City's congestion pricing. Now, the plan rolled out last month and has been charging drivers as much as $9 extra to access some parts of Manhattan. I want to bring in CBS News New York reporter Elijah Westbrook with more on this. Elijah, what was the main reason for the DOT's sudden termination of this plan? We all saw that pretty stern message from President Trump.
That's right. Good morning, Errol, and great to be with you. I want to start by talking about what Secretary of Transportation Sean Duffy had to say. And he released this letter to New York Governor Kathy Hochul just yesterday afternoon, citing a slew of reasons as to why this decision was made. He says that congestion pricing ultimately is harmful to business owners who have their businesses set up in this portion of Manhattan. He also mentions the fact that drivers already pay their fair share of taxes, that where the money goes towards improving the roadways. Keep in mind that congestion pricing was enacted technically under the Biden administration following years of legal hurdles and steps just to get to this point. And the program has only been in operation for nearly 2 months at this point.
This has been controversial in New York. We know New Jersey's governor is against the congestion pricing. So now, how are New York officials planning to challenge this termination in court now that the federal government is stepping in and trying to, have its way?
Yeah, it's certainly a great question, and one that we received a little bit of intel into as of about a few hours ago. So the MTA chairman and CEO, Jana Lieber, talked about that process, and he says that right now the agency is back in court. It filed a complaint with the federal government, specifically against the Department of Transportation, to see if there's a way to uproot this decision. Again, I mean, we're talking about years of studies and surveys that were conducted, open houses where people were able to come in and voice their concerns about this. And although this was a controversial program, given the fact that people have to pay $9 at least to enter this central business district, a lot now has to be looked at as we proceed forward.
And it's just notable to me, Elijah, that as you stand in central Manhattan, the traffic isn't gridlock. Traffic is moving, and that's with congestion pricing in place. We'll see what happens next. Elijah, great to have you reporting. Thanks so much.